Dumelang, dumelang bathong. Lina laga ke Betty and welcome to today's video. So I have the potatoes. I have potatoes that I need to harvest. So today's video is all about harvesting the potatoes. I don't know what is in there. This is my first time gonna see hore honale Lena. I don't know. I planted, I watered, I waited. Now it's time for us to harvest. So this is I'm trying not to talk too much because you guys are always saying, oh, your videos are too long and then our data. So I'm trying to make my videos very, very fast. So now so long I'm taking that heavy thing. You subscribe, hit the like button, and let's comment down below, and don't forget to share my videos, right? Yes, so I'm gonna go and carry that heavy thing there, and then I'm gonna put it there, and let's do the do's. We are eating. We have food. We have food. And we have worms. We have food, people, we have food, and tiny ones. So out of one potato we have this much and the others they were still growing. The small ones, they were still growing. So after I'm done with this, I am going to reuse the soil and plant more potatoes, because potatoes, they don't have seasons. You can plant potatoes every time, any time of the season. So we are going to use this soil and plant some more. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, because I mean, why not? Yeah, we are eating. You just put the potato in the soil, you water it, and you wait for Mother Nature to give you food. So if I can do it, you can do it as well. As you saw, I have food, and already another bunch growing that side in the sack. So why not? So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share the videos. This year we are trying to grow the channel. Let's all grow the channel. This is our thing. I mean, if you show your grandma go hi, hore, man, magogo, wait you so, I'm telling you. Those tsa kgale tsele tse ba di beileng kwa ba di beile kwa ko khoneng tsele tse ba itseng khonanyane ele wa itsa ke re khonele snacks nyane di ntshe di container tseo, plant some food in them and let's all eat, because we can eat from the containers, guys. I showed you we can eat from the container. This sun is like, don't listen makalanze ki nota mat ha ke le notele mat mare subscribe mare bona. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next coming video. Bye.